Hello everyone! Tara, mag-curl tayo ng hair. As you can see, kulot na yung hair ko, but for today's video, I want it more kulot pa kasi may photoshoot tayo. Hindi, joke lang. Actually, nakita ko lang to sa TikTok, tapos gusto ko siyang i-try with my hair. So, tara, let's go! Wala kasi kaming straw dito sa bahay kaya trinay ko yung paper towel. Di nga ako sure kung mag-work ba to eh. Pero sana. Fast forward ko na to guys. Just let me know kung gusto niyo ng tutorial. Gagawa ko ng separate video. Tinalian ko lang siya ng rubber band to secure my hair. So ayan na, tapos na tayo. Manipis lang kasi yung buhok ko kaya madali lang siya for me. Iniwan ko lang siya ng 1 oras tapos tinanggal ko na. So ito na nga guys, nag-work siya. Oh my G! Look at that guys! Sobrang ganda ng pagkakulot niya! You have to try this! You have to try this! Ah! Yan, back! Back, may pa ganon. Pack! Tapos ito pa. Oh my goodness! You see? Look at that baby girl. Alright, yan na muna guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. We'll see you in my next